Right.
Right.
Everyone remain on mute until I call your matter. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no drinking or eating, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Good afternoon. Thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Natasha Williams. This is ticket number SP 133511141. One count of improper plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Matthew Dupree, P80132, House Counsel. Ms. Williams, would you state your name, please?
Natasha Terry Williams.
Judge, Ms. Williams presented me with valid registration, which I inspected, matches the VIN on the vehicle from this offense and is valid through the end, well, not quite the end of the year, it's valid through November. We would ask to dismiss per the city's policy as such.
All right, having seen that matter as an officer of the court is going to grant your request and dismiss this without prejudice. Ms. Williams, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Mr. Ziegler? Unmute yourself, sir. Ask you to unmute. See that? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Louis Ziegler. This is case number. One second. Now calling the matter of the people versus Louis Ziegler. This is case number SP 106962. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plate. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling case number SP 1311222. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Matthew Dupree, P80132, House Counsel. Mr. Ziegler, state your name, please.
Louis Ziegler Jr.
Judge, we've reached a proposed settlement in this matter under which the defendant will be pleading guilty to 2 counts of improper plates. We ask the court to adopt that resolution.
You want to take advantage of that today, Mr. Ziegler?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Ziegler, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney? That'll be Mr. Dupree in private today about your case and about your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward today?
reason it muted you. Unmute yourself. Somebody might have tried to call you or something.
Can't hear you.
I know, somebody tried to call you while you were, or tried to message you while you were on this call. That's what ends up happening. Okay,
Okay.
my last question was, did you want to move forward with this, plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of February the 25th of 2020. Were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of East 7 Mile and DeQuinder Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did it not have proper plates on it at the time?
No, ma'am.
All right. Also drawing your attention to the date of February 8th of 2022, were you in the area of Grand River in the city of Detroit and Grand, it says, Grand River and Grand in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And did that vehicle not have proper plates on it at the time?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, it didn't.
It did not. Thank you. Satisfied, Attorney Dupree?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
There's stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to ticket SP 1311222, count 1, SP 1069622, and dismiss as a part of the plea SP 1311222, counts 2 and 3, and SP 1069620, counts 1 and 3. Sir, my fine for a ticket is typically $200. That would be a total of $400. Are you able to come up with that much money?
Judge, he posted bonds worth 400.
Oh, did you posted a bond worth 400?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, we can use those bonds towards the tickets if you would like to today.
Yes, ma'am. That's fine.
Okay. All right, so we'll use the bonds towards the tickets and that'll make you all set, sir.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay?
You as well.
All right. Bye-bye. All right, Mr. Williams, Nathan Williams.
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Nathan Williams. This is ticket number P 1258542. Count 1, no proof of insurance. Count 2, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate. Count 3, failed to use seat belt assembly system 1985. Also calling ticket number P 1258538. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, improper plate. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Matthew Dupree, P 80132, House Counsel. Mr. Williams, state your name, please.
Nathan Williams.
Judge, I believe we've reached a resolution of this matter in which the defendant will be pleading guilty, single count of no registration. We would ask the court to adopt that settlement.
You want to take advantage of that offer today, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a trial in the future, a bench or jury trial?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of October the 1st of 2021. Were you at that time driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of East McNichols and Mount Elliott in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were you stopped by police officers?
Yes.
And was the vehicle unregistered or untitled at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Dupree?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea for one count, count 3, on ticket ending in 8538, dismiss counts 1 and 2, and ticket P1258542 in its entirety will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is typically $200. How long do you need to pay that, 30 or 60 days?
Judge, if I may, Mr. Williams had indicated to me, he only makes about $450 a month. He has a part-time job and is raising children. I was wondering if there was any chance the court would consider community service in lieu of the fine.
I will do community service in lieu of cost and fine. I can do 25 hours and give you 3 months to complete that. Will that be enough time?
One at a time. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. 25 hours to complete the community service. Let me give you a phone number to take down and a review date, okay, to make sure you complete the community service.
Okay, hold on. Let me find a pen real quick.
Okay. Just let me know when you're ready, okay?
What is it?
313
Yes.
965
Okay.
8130.
Okay.
Tell me you need to do 25 hours of community service by August 17th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. That's your next court date for a review. It's in the morning time. Just have proof that you
Okay.
completed that and I'll close this case out, okay?
Okay. You said it's August.
August 17th,
Okay. And what time?
8:30 a.m.
Okay. Gotcha.
via Zoom. Just Zoom back in the same way you came in today.
Okay. Thank you.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing further, you have any other questions, sir? No? Okay. All right, you're all set. That concludes this hearing.
All right.